For you to register, you have to head on to our website, ictresourcecenter.com. When you open this website, you're going to be presented to a wall that is becoming global. If you scroll a little bit down, you have upcoming events. And among these events is your summer online computer course. And this computer course, you can learn more by clicking on the Learn More button. This button will direct you to a page where you're going to have the various packages to which you can subscribe. When you open this page, you are greeted with a message that tells you you are 50% if you register today. This message will go away when the courses start. It means you have up to the 30th of May to register. Now, there are 4 packages, and I'll take off time to quickly present these packages to you. You have the basic package, the ordinary package, standard package, and the premium package. The basic package is free. Yes, it is free. Check that out. The basic package is free. You have registration, and you're going to receive course videos, and that is going to be for free. If you are interested in this package, you're going to take register to register. If you are interested in the ordinary package, this ordinary package is only 10,000 francs a month. 10,000 francs only. And you have the possibility of paying 15,000 francs. If you pay all at once, it means 10,000 francs a month for 3 months gives you 30,000 francs. But if you are paying all at once, you pay only 15,000 francs. That says it for the 50% discount, which we are giving you. So if you are paying early enough, you pay 15,000 francs before it starts, and you benefit a 50% discount. Now, what does the ordinary package contain? It has registration, you have course video, you have practice exercises that is valued at 5,000 a month. You have follow-up valued at 5,000 a month, and this follow-up is restricted to 5 questions a week. The standard package has a difference with the ordinary package, that it has all that the ordinary package offers, but for the fact that there is evaluation, and the number of questions here, the number of follow-up questions, they are more. You have 10 questions that you can ask per week. It means that you have someone who will be sitting and waiting for your questions, and you can ask 10 questions a week. And you'll be ready to answer all your questions and follow you up to ensure that your questions are well answered. Then you have evaluation. There will be weekly evaluation. Then the premium package. Premium package has all that all the other packages have to offer, but for the fact that its follow-up is real time. It means once you subscribe for the premium package, there is a teacher that will be dedicated, that will be assigned to you, and this teacher will be with you 24 on 24, 7 on 7. He'll be ready to answer your questions at midnight, at midday, anytime. He is ready to answer your questions. That's why we say it has real-time follow-up. You ask any question at any time, he will answer. And check that out. You have unlimited questions to ask. Unlimited questions. Unlimited questions. And how much is that? That is only 30,000 francs a month. And you can pay 45,000 if you are paying at once. Now, which package do I recommend? Our team will recommend the ordinary package. We recommend the ordinary package for students, for teachers, and for the general public. The ordinary package is only 15,000 for the entire summer holidays. For you to register, you're going to click on the register button, and you wait for some seconds for this to direct you to the registration page. Here is your registration page. You have the summer online computer course. Now, you have to choose your town of residence, where you reside. In my case, I live in Bafoussam, so I'm going to type Bafoussam. You're going to enter your name. My name is Sofa. Ba Isofa. I'm going to go down You are asked to give comments. Let it be a question. Let it be an appraisal. Let it be a proposal. Let it be whatever. If you don't have anything, you're going to skip that. For now, I'm ready to learn. Ready to learn. My phone number. I'm going to put my phone number there, which is the number I use on WhatsApp. And I'm asked for my sex. I'm going to put it, I'm a male. I'll check the box for male. I'm asked for an email address. Remember, I can give my email address as well as I can choose not to give. In this case, my email address is njoyaisofa@gmail.com. I'm going to go down now to select my package. This time around, we had recommended the ordinary package. Remember, you can go back to check again to be sure of the package you want to select. We recommend the ordinary package for everybody. And I'm going to go ahead and select the ordinary package. And that is all. And I click on submit. The registration process is done and it's quite simple. Thanks for registering. Our online computer course is the best